How can you stand out in a crowd of almost 3 million podcasts? The answer is simple: video podcasting. In this video, we'll talk about 8 benefits of starting a video podcast. Video allows your target audience to better connect with you, your show, and your message. By actually seeing you and your guests talking, you appear more authentic, and it increases your relatability and allows the audience to feel as if they're part of the conversation. When you develop this kind of trust with the audience, it's more likely that they will come back for future episodes. By creating video content, it allows you to get your content on the second largest search engine in the world, YouTube. This will give you access to an audience of almost 2 billion people that you may otherwise not have had the opportunity to reach. You can use search engine optimization on YouTube to help your show get discovered more easily. Use tools like keywordtool.io to see what keywords and key phrases are popular regarding your subject. Make sure to include these keywords in your video title and description. With video podcasting, you can record once and repurpose that recording to be distributed via different marketing channels. By taking one long-form recording and chopping it up into smaller bite-sized videos, it will save you a huge amount of time with content generation. Why not break up a 1-hour interview into multiple shorter clips for each point that was brought up in the conversation? A great example of someone who does this well is Joe Rogan. He has a YouTube channel specifically dedicated to clips from each of his podcast episodes. Each clip gets hundreds of thousands to millions of views and acts as promotional content for the full-length episode. When you cut your podcast up into short clips on specific subjects, it's also much easier to write titles and descriptions for those clips focusing on certain keywords. Repurposing content can allow you to constantly be putting out quality content on your various social media channels. By posting multiple times a week, you can improve your ranking on each platform and extend your reach. Try using these clips on various social media channels that allow you to reach a bigger audience, like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. This will also help your shareability on these social media platforms and increase your chance of going viral. Check out Riverside's Clips feature to see how you can take clips from your recordings and resize and design them for various social media channels directly on the Riverside platform. Say you're discussing a new merch drop, a video clip, a screenshot, or a new product. It can be hard to give the audience a really good idea of what you're talking about. By adding video, you can provide more context to your audience and keep them more engaged. By creating a video podcast, you can take advantage of Spotify's video podcast feature and keep on top of the podcasting trends. Being on camera is a different experience than just being behind the microphone. By adding video to your podcast, you'll learn the valuable skill of how to present yourself on camera, and you'll be able to watch yourself grow and develop as you get more experience. This will also give you content to create a demo reel for if you ever want to do any on-camera work. That's 8 benefits of why you should start a video podcast. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified every time we post a new video that will help you take your content to the next level.